So assuming you've actually made your financial plan, that is your budget, what are key essential things you need to do? One key essential thing you need to do is budget review. You need to review your budget at every month. You need to review. You need to review your budget. What is budget review? Budget review is evaluation of your personal budget every month to actually ascertain whether actually you actually worked out your plan, whether actually you lived your life according to how you want. It's one thing to actually plan, from that thing to execute the plan. People actually plan and don't execute it. So after you would have planned, did you execute it? Did you follow it up? So budget review is actually essential. Budget review is actually essential, and that's where is after review we now see budget control. That maybe, okay, this is what I budgeted, this didn't work out the way I wanted it, this is how I was able to do it. Budget review is very essential. There are pitfalls normally that I'm normally experiencing in budgeting. You can actually overstate your income sources. It's possible that you wrote my source of income for this month as projected or budgeted is 50,000 naira. At the end of the day, you were not able to work hard, or you work hard and you did not realize up to 50k, you end up getting 40k. If you actually get 40k, it means at the end of the day, you're going to have issues with implementing your budget because you actually overstated your income sources in your budget. So when things like that, it is in review, you discover all these things. At the end of the month, you come back to your budget to ask yourself, I budgeted 50k. Was I able to actually get up to 50k as my salary from contract, from gifts, from people and the rest of them? Where you were not able to actually get to, you ask yourself, concerning the new month that is coming, what do I actually need to do to ensure I am able to meet up with those income sources and be able to get them? Review is essential. So you need to review every month. Review your budget every month after the whole month has ended, and the resources came, the income came, the expenses were made. You need to sit down and review how was the execution of this my budget. Did I succeeded in what I wrote down, the implementation, the execution? When you review it, you actually know whether actually your expenses, you actually live to them. It's possible for you to allocate 20% to feeding and end up overfeeding. It's possible to allocate 10% and ended up spending more in transport. It's possible for you to allocate 5% to other things and end up not living to them. So budget review is essential. After making your budget, make out time at the end of every month to review your budget. To see how implementation actually was, how successful it was. It's possible for you to have favorable or adverse at the end of the day. Okay, maybe I budgeted 50k. At the end of the day, I was able to get 60k as salary, as income sources. I budgeted 80k. I was able to get 100k as income sources. Maybe I budgeted 5% as feeding, as provision for feeding for this month under review. I was able to only spend 3%. So you need to actually review your budget at the end of every month. Make out time to review your budget to know whether you overstated your income sources, whether you understated your consumption sources. Yes, your overhead sources. Maybe were there things I actually didn't make provision for. It's when you've reviewed it, you now know the things you didn't make provision for. So in subsequent budgeting, you'll be able to know what are those key things you to put into. So what I'm saying now is, after you've made your budget, make us time to review your budget implementation, so that when there are issues that comes up, you're able to know how to control them. What is control? Control in budgeting is actually after reviewing your budget performance, budget implementation, budget execution. You know those places where there are errors or there are mistakes. Control now comes in to see how to remedy situations that comes in, those issues that comes in. How do you remedy them? How do you correct those errors? How do you ensure things work according to your plan? That is what control is all about, and it's what you do after reviewing your budget. Thank you.